I have two more products that I'd like to show you that were new to me and I have really decided I like. One of them is a misting spray bottle, and you might have seen your hairstylist use something like this, and it just sprays a very fine mist, and it's crazy, but it kind of does make ironing a little bit more fun. It sprays very evenly as long as you move it fast enough, and yeah, you've seen me use it a little bit, and I will keep using them. They are actually something that I really like. And I've just been using water in mine so far. I haven't found a reason to use any starch or anything, and things have been going pretty good for me, so we'll see if that continues or not. But this is a misting spray bottle. Mine are kind of fancy, but anyway. The other thing that I want to show you is called Aunt Pam's Quilt Sponge. These are kind of neat. It's kind of just a funky block, and yeah, I can't really even describe it, but I want to show you what it does. And I have been saving threads for a while here. Hopefully I'm gonna have a few of you going, oh no, you're not gonna do that. Yeah, I am. I'm gonna put threads on my fabric here, pull them apart and try to, maybe I didn't get them small enough, see if I can get them pretty stuck, because you know that's how things happen. And it might be your finished quilt top, it might be your shirt, whatever, but you know how threads get stuck, and they're just a challenge to get off. This is kind of ingenious though. It will pick up the threads. I can even make some smaller ones. Let's do some really tiny ones without cutting my fingers. Would be really good. So we got some small ones on there too, but check this out. You just brush across your fabric and it picks all of those threads right up. Sometimes the threads don't even like to come out that well. I'm thinking I would maybe even use my vacuum cleaner to get them off, but if nothing else, I can get them on the table here and get them picked up and thrown away. But I think this is just the most fabulous idea. Just brilliant. And it really works. So, Aunt Pam's Quilt Sponge. Check it out. And if I have problems getting them off, then I just flip it to the other side and keep brushing. And there we go. It's all clean again. No big deal. So next time you get tons of threads all over, or you had to pull out a seam and you've got threads all over the place, you give one of these a try. Thanks for tuning in.